Are you looking for a diagnostic tool that's fast, powerful, and packed with professional-level features? Today, we're reviewing the Autel MaxiSys Elite, and trust me, this scanner might be the upgrade your garage needs. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into automotive diagnostics, OBD2 scanners, EV tools, and smart repair devices, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Today, we're diving deep into the Autel MaxiSys Elite, a top-tier scan tool used by professional workshops worldwide. What is the Autel MaxiSys Elite? The Autel MaxiSys Elite is a high-end automotive diagnostic tablet designed for mechanics, auto repair shops, and serious DIY users. It comes with lightning-fast performance, extensive vehicle coverage, and advanced ECU coding functions. Key features: 1. Ultra-fast NVIDIA Tegra 4 processor. 2. 9.7-inch Retina display. 3. Full system diagnostics for all modules. 4. ECU Coding and Adaptations. 5. J2534 pass-through programming. 6. Active tests and bidirectional control. 7. 2 years free update usually. 8. Supports 80+ vehicle makes. Whether you're diagnosing engine issues, programming modules, or running active tests, this tool handles everything smoothly. How to use it simply. 1. Connect the VCI to your vehicle. 2. Turn on the scanner and select Auto Detect VIN. 3. Choose the system you want to diagnose. 4. View live data, run active tests, or start coding. Autel's interface is clean and quick. Even beginners can navigate easily. Unboxing. In the box, you get the MaxiSys Elite tablet, the J2534 programming device, OBD1 adapters, charging cable, protective carrying case, user manuals. It feels premium and built for heavy shop use. Pros and cons. Pros: super fast performance, professional-level diagnostics, ECU coding and programming support, large high-resolution display, strong build quality, excellent vehicle coverage. Cons: expensive for beginners. Updates cost money after the free period. A bit heavy to carry around. Price: the Autel MaxiSys Elite usually ranges between $2,400 and $3,000, depending on the seller, update package, and region. Final thoughts: the Autel MaxiSys Elite is one of the best diagnostic tablets on the market. If you run a professional workshop or want top-level scanning, coding, and programming, this tool is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.